Hello guys, my name is Anuj and in this video I'm going to tell you about a great book which has helped me a lot in coming out of depression, and this book also helps me in facing my day-to-day problems. In my previous video I have told you that it will be great if you can read this book for around 15 minutes every day. It will help you in keeping in control your anger, stress, frustration, anxiety. So in today's video I will tell you everything about this book. I will discuss everything in detail. So please watch the whole video and please subscribe to my channel. So the book is How to Stop Worrying and Start Living by Dale Carnegie, and I bought this book 3 years ago for 150 rupees, and now this book is available on Amazon for around 200 rupees. I will give the link of both the Hindi and the English version in the description below, so you can also buy it. So this book is around 200 rupees and it is 350 pages long, so it is not a very long book. If you read it for around 15 minutes only, then also you will be able to finish it in just 25 to 30 days. And the best thing about this book is the language of this book. The language of this book is very easy. I have the English version and one of my friend has the Hindi version, and the language in both the versions are very easy. So this was all about the general features of this book. Now let's talk about the main thing, what this book is all about, what is the content of this book, why I love this book so much, and how it will solve all of your mental problems. So this book talks about the day-to-day problems that we face in our lives. There are hundreds of stories in this book with which you can relate. It tells you how as humans we worry all the time, and there are stories of many people who have been hospitalized due to excessive worrying, stress, anxiety, depression, and how they actually got out of that state by using some techniques and principles. So this book will give you hope, and believe me, just reading this book will solve all of your mental problems, because majority of our problems are the result of our wrong way of thinking, and this book will teach you the correct way of thinking, and it will also teach you how you can live your life peacefully. And this book is very practical. It does not make any false promise to you. It doesn't say that there are no problems in life. No, it teaches you that there are problems in life that you have created, and it is your responsibility to solve them. And it also gives you techniques and principles to solve all of your problems. Now, apart from these things, there are many other important things that this book will teach you. And these are the things that nobody will ever teach you, like why we worry, why we feel anxious, stressed, depressed, frustrated. What is the science behind it? Many people tell me that they feel incomplete, they feel empty, they don't know what to do with their lives. So as per this book, we feel these things because we have a lot of free time in which we think about failures, our sad past, our broken relationship. And this is so true. This is the main reason of feeling these things. So you will learn these kind of things in this book. And this book will also prepare you to handle any kind of situation. This book will teach you how to handle pressure. Unless you can handle pressure, you will never be able to become successful. So all in all, this book will prepare you for life, and my opinion is that this is the book which everyone should read. And now you can buy this book from the links which I have given in the description below, or you can also buy this from a bookstore available in your area. So I believe I have told you everything regarding this book, and there is one more thing which I want to tell you, that the audio book of this book is also available on YouTube. But in my personal opinion, I don't recommend listening to audiobooks, because when you read a book, you are much more involved as compared to when you listen something. So in my opinion, you should definitely buy a hard copy and read it. So I believe I've told you everything regarding this book. Now if you have any doubt or question in your mind, then you can ask me in the comment section below. So this is all for this video, and thank you so much for watching.